For patients who are missing one or a few teeth, what can we do to help you? Dental implants, single implants, to replace one or up to 3 teeth, we call it dental implant bridges, is a great solution for you, lifetime solution for you. We also offer traditional bridge work that most patients know about. It does have a finite lifespan, you have to understand, comparatively to implants. Implants, typically, if you take care of them, will last you the rest of your life. By placing a dental implant, you are restoring both function, strength to your jaw, prevention of any shifting of adjacent teeth, both upper or opposing, where you're replacing the missing tooth. Ultimately, you're stabilizing the mouth. Okay, what are the benefits of replacing missing teeth with dental implants? You're replacing teeth that you would see possibly when you smile. You also replace that teeth that you miss when you chew, when you function, when you eat the foods you want to eat. You don't have to think about how to chew. You just put the food in your mouth and go. It also prevents any further bone loss to your facial structures that can happen over time. What is the process to have a dental implant placed? It's a minor surgical procedure where the implant is placed in the jawbone. There is minor post-operative pain and discomfort. We allow the implant to heal for a minimum of 2 months. Then we take an impression or a mold, and our dental lab fabricates your final implant crown that typically is screwed into the implant. By replacing a missing tooth or missing teeth with dental implants, you regain the ability to smile, you regain the ability to chew. You don't have to think about how you eat. It is ultimately the best way to replace your missing teeth.